my Snap-on toolbox tool. Like, my managers, I'm the supervisor. Like, this is my lovely little side locker. I've got tools, you know, the old basic tools, homemade toolbox, grease, whatnot, bead blaster. I've got lots of porridge, soup and whatnot. Some brake sensors, pads, old rat shit, what's broken, Snap-on paperwork, spare boots, my electronic drawer, couple 18 volts for 12 volts and whatnot. So I've got the lovely hatch. It's a 54-inch 95th anniversary box. And I've got the Ethos edge. Of course, I've got the lights magnetic, the Snap-on spanners, little power area, smoothie, recharger, workbench area for like my paperwork, 95th mini box, 95th hat, the classic Snap-on Mustang, can't beat it, another couple batteries. This is my Snap-on drawer, got the mini spanners, Blue Point claw, it's under warranty, so I'm waiting for them to sort that out. The Flank Drive Plus Extra, some Blue Point sump plugs, sockets, whatnot, some American 3/8 sockets, like not for, and like the 5th, 16th stuff you get on American cars. The 3/8 sockets, really good. I find the semi-deep the best. A lovely tilt breaker bar, an even bigger breaker bar. The 3/8 ratchet, well not 3/8, 3/4 ratchet. Whatnot tools, like, you know, casual crap. Screws whenever you have a broken bit, trim and put on. Sockets, snap in place. You know, usual Blue Point brakes. Next drawer, it's more my Halfords. Break it, fix it later drawer. Couple pry bars, sockets. The general gist. Like, you know, basic. This is my favourite drawer, my ratchet drawer, all Snap-on. My power drawer, 95th air guns, air tools, the rest is battery. The drawer is amazing. Brake, you don't need to get Snap-on or Blue Point, one of these, basic. More brake, wind back tools, Snap-on temperature gauge, Milwaukee do the best Rubik's, and back tool, you know, basic stuff. Now, Blue Point more spanners, US Pro, 0 degree wrenches, you always need these, like they're amazing. Hammers, they are what they are, guys. Yeah, screwdrivers, picks, you get it. My hybrid tools, like Lord King nuts. Yeah, we do hybrid there. Everyone's got to have a junk drawer. This is mine. It is what it is. I'm ashamed, but it is what it is.